Well, new arrivals this morning. This Avalanche is one of them. This F150 and not that Corvette, but another Corvette. All new car dealer trade-ins that we just acquired. This is an LT edition. Strong tires, not new, but almost. 20-inch alloys and a very clean interior. Have not touched the inside of this truck yet. You can definitely appreciate how the previous owner kept it. Very clean. Yep, 137,000 miles. 2010 model it should be. Might be a 9. Finishing up the cleanup, then service, then inspection, and the rest will follow. Thanks, guys.